Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix booking.com property closed on arrival. So to fix this issue, you have to go to one of your web browser and then start searching booking.com extranet. Tap on it. Now get logged in into your extranet account. Once you're logged in, navigate to rates and availability and then calendar. Now select the dates and then tap open under the room status. Now if rooms are hard closed, you must disconnect your channel manager, manually open the rooms via rates and availability and then open or close rooms and then reconnect. Now if you are a new partner, your listing might be closed pending completion of 5 photos, descriptions, check and payment info. Now tap make my property live on the homepage banner. Now if booking.com has requested location verification, you must complete this via the letter or phone call process. Now, if your property was closed due to non-payment, you must settle the outstanding balance before you can reopen. If you lost your license or compliance status, the listing may have been pulled, necessitating a contact with support. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.